Greek Prime Minister Yriakos Mitsotakis said fires in Greece this summer will burn an area of at least 150,000 hectares, including a large blaze in the north, which has been burning for nearly 2 weeks. Since the blaze began on August 19, it has claimed lives of 20 people, with 18 of the migrants whose bodies were found in a region that is often used as an entry point from neighbouring Turkey. Similarly, a European Commission spokesman said the forest blaze was the largest wildfire ever recorded in the EU, stressing that the bloc mobilized nearly half its firefighting air wing to tackle it. Greece has been ravaged by deadly wildfires this summer, with the ravaged area amounting to just under the size of London, according to the Premier.